Top 5 Cat Water Fountain with Carbon Filter.
Top 5.
Our cat fountain is made of high-quality ABS, durable, BPA-free, non-toxic and odorless, which can be used safely and securely. Make your pet fall in love with drinking water. No need to worry about their health problem any longer. The transparent design of this water fountain tank makes you clearly know the water level and cleanliness. More convenient for you to add/change the water and clean this pet water dispenser so that your pet can always drink clean and healthy water. Component structure: easy to install, easy to clean.
Top 4.
Our pet water fountain is proud of its ultra-quiet pump. It makes barely any noise. Compared to other pet water fountains, our cat water fountain is a great choice for a light sleeper. The LED light will change from blue to red when the water is less than 650 milliliters, which reminds you to refill the water fountain. Built-in switch on the power cord allows you to turn on/off the light at any time. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through Amazon.
Top 3.
This cat water fountain is equipped with a faucet and spring surge modes, which are a match with the drinking habits of cats, dogs, and other pets. Faucet model: attract your pets to drink more water. This fountain model WF05001 is not coming with an adapter. The pet fountain is made of high-quality non-toxic and odorless plastic material. A simple quick-release structure is designed for easy removal and cleaning.
Top 2.
The capacity of 2.4 liters is enough to supply 2 pets. The water tray is made of stainless steel, which can provide better water for pets and protect their health together with you. The high-quality filter adopts triple filtration and activated carbon and high-density PP cotton clean tap water to completely remove hair. 24-month after sales, and we sell original carbon filters. If you have quality problems, our customer service provides you a new pump.
Top 1.
High-grade stainless steel top is durable, hygienic, and dishwasher safe. All-in-one package includes 3 carbon filters, 1 foam filter, 2 cleaning brushes, and 1 mat. Food-grade material and BPA-free cat fountains are safe for your pets. 3 flow designs to encourage drinking. 360 degrees multi-directional streams aerate the water for added oxygen and freshness. Assemble and disassemble. Wonder Creature Pet Fountain only takes a few minutes to set up and disassemble for cleaning and maintenance. Check the description below on where to buy it.